Positive Thoughts Quotation from The Light in the Heart by Roy T. Bennett. Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind. Be led by the dreams in your heart. Instead of worrying about what you cannot control, shift your energy to what you can create. Be the reason someone smiles. Be the reason someone feels loved and believes in the goodness in people. Accept yourself, love yourself, and keep moving forward. If you want to fly, you have to give up what weighs you down. Be mindful, be grateful, be positive, be true, be kind. Believe in yourself. You are braver than you think, more talented than you know, and capable of more than you imagine. Live the life of your dreams. Be brave enough to live the life of your dreams according to your vision and purpose, instead of the expectations and opinions of others. Don't waste your time in anger, regrets, worries, and grudges. Life is too short to be unhappy. It's only after you've stepped outside your comfort zone that you begin to change, grow, and transform. Even if you cannot change all the people around you, you can change the people you choose to be around. Life is too short to waste your time on people who don't respect, appreciate, and value you. Spend your life with people who make you smile, laugh, and feel loved. You cannot control the behavior of others, but you can always choose how you respond to it. More smiling, less worrying. More compassion, less judgment. More blessed, less stressed. More love, less hate. Life becomes easier and more beautiful when we can see the good in other people. Pursue what catches your heart, not what catches your eyes. Your hardest times often lead to the greatest moments of your life. Keep going. Tough situations build strong people in the end. Be grateful for what you already have while you pursue your goals. If you aren't grateful for what you already have, what makes you think you would be happy with more? Great things happen to those who don't stop believing, trying, learning, and being grateful. Always find opportunities to make someone smile and to offer random acts of kindness in everyday life.